Hi everyone, this is Kamal from NokiaPowerUser.com, and um, this video uh, this video tutorial aims to tell you how to add this translator function to your Internet Explorer. So as you know, this Internet Explorer on your Lumia devices, it would not support language translator or language translation itself. So for making or adding that functionality here, uh, what we need to do, I'll take you through the steps. So first I'll recommend you to go to settings, and then you use this address bar button for favorites. You have to select this. Now when you go back, what you can do, you can add to favorites. So here you will have to add, you will have to note it down, or you can actually go to the tutorial which we will post shortly on nokiapowerUser.com, where you can see this particular URL. So this URL, you need to http labs.microsofttranslator.com and bookmark it. So this is what you need to add as a favorite here. Okay, so once you have added this bookmarklet, now what you need to do is to go to here this favorites which you have just added, and from there you can select to which language you want to translate the so here you can actually select to which language you want to translate. So this default is English. You can select any of the languages that you wish this Internet Explorer to translate the web pages. So let us say we selected Deutsch. Okay, now you can, what you can do, you can long press here and copy this link. So now once you have copied this link, you will again have to go and this add to favorites. Here what you can do, you can just give a name so that it's easy to remember. So this is a translator to German language, so I'll let it put Deutsch. Okay, now let us say you want to translate any web page like nokiapoweruser.com to Deutsch. So all you need to do is to go to, so that's why we have asked you to keep this address bar for favorites. So see, what is the benefit here is, when you want to translate, let us say Nokia Power User to Deutsch, you have to just go here and just press this. So see, it has started translating, and now you can see nokiapoweruser.com translated in German. So that is a really handy thing, handy feature, which I think you can really love to add if you want, or you want to browse the net in other languages than yours. So just by going here, just pressing the favorite button, you can just go and you can actually translate it to any of the languages that you want. So again, for your sake of convenience, these are the steps. So first step is adding this this Deutsch. I mean, for that you need to have this labs dot, you have to remember, as I told, I'll post a tutorial on nokiapoweruser.com, so there you can go and see. So this is labs.microsofttranslator.com bookmarklet. So from there, once you have gone to this page, from here you can select the language then you can long press on translate, you can copy this link, and then you can have to again add it to favorites. So once you have added this to favorites, after that it is here. So this translator is for English, this is for German. So now any web page can be translated into English with this translator, or in German with this Deutsch. That's how. Hope you have found this tutorial to be useful for you. Thanks for watching.